deploy your deployment. That button can be found here at the top right, and this is like a commit message. So edit KB, deploy changes. On all our features, we have version control. So here you can see exactly what was changed between these two configurations. Here you see new knowledge base was added. If I add a new sentence to the system prompt, deploy, here you see the block that was influenced by these changes side by side. You can also see who made the changes, when, and you can always roll back to old versions if this is in production. Well, now you're asking yourself, how do I bring this to production? You do so by integrating the code snippet here. So we have a Node SDK, a Python SDK, you initialize the client, and this is then what you actually call. And it's here where you map the variables from wherever you retrieve the data in the back end or even the front end, if it is for conversational interfaces, to make this configuration work. Another thing which is powerful, quite specific, but especially for the sensitive use cases, is PII filtering. So we have that safety built in on different levels. You just saw it in knowledge bases, but you can also filter for PII on variables that are being pulled in.